Yep. Video, go ahead, zoom.
In general, video's listening to you most of the time, so
Okay.
you don't have to key them up.
Wow. Okay. Okay, zoom wide. Okay, moving on. Okay, zoom wide. Okay, moving on.
Check, check.
Jakarta EX, can you hear me?
Okay, video, is that good for you? Yeah, go ahead.
Seattle EX, can you hear me?
Okay.
No, no response from either one.
Jakarta, Jakarta, Jakarta. This is the Okeanos Explorer. Can you hear me? Jakarta, Jakarta, Jakarta. This is the Okeanos Explorer. Can you hear me?
Oop, 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 oop. Come back, come back, come back.
Yes, good, I can hear you.
Okay. All right. Dave, let's do that test again. So, all right, I'm going to have the watch leader verify that he can communicate with you guys, so please stand by. As is.
Jakarta EX, can you hear me?
Yes, I can, Dave.
Seattle EX, can you hear me?
Yes, Seattle can hear you.
Okay.
Okay, I can hear everybody.
Okay. Echo is good? Okay. All right. All right, please stand by. I'm going to try to connect the visiting scientist position.
Okay, zoom wide. Okay, let's take a quick look at the vehicle, co-pilot, and make sure that we are clear. Okay.
PMEL, this is the ship. PMEL, this is the ship.
Did somebody just speak to PMEL?
Yes, this is the ship. Doing a check.
All right, you're very, very faint. My
Looks like
volume
we're good,
is all the way up.
Okay, I'll try to speak up. Jakarta, this is the ship.
Hey, Mimi, same as in Seattle, you're very faint.
Okay.
All right. Hey, I forgot.
Jakarta, we could not understand due to the echo and the the lack of voice.
Jakarta, can you repeat that? I'm sorry, I didn't hear that. Okay. Jakarta, can you hear me?
That's much better.
Okay. So did you say you didn't hear what I just said?
Jakarta did not. I do not know about Seattle.
Okay, Seattle, can you hear me?
Yes, Seattle can hear you.
Okay. So I'm just going to repeat what I just said because Jakarta apparently didn't hear. All I said was after the ROV comes on deck, we need to pump our CHT tank. So we have to get off this site for at least a couple of hours to pump the tank. And then we can come back if you guys need more CTDs on this site, or if you need a CTD on the G site. I'm just trying to get an understanding of what you're thinking of doing when it comes to CTD casts.
Can you tell me, have we done any CTD casts on G?
We did one this morning on this current site we're on right now.
Yeah, I observed that one, but I'm not sure that have we done on G at all.
We have not done any on G site.
So I would say it's worth doing a hydrocast here, but it also might be worth doing one on G.
Okay, so you're thinking of doing a second one on this site and then doing at least one on the G site?
For the most part, at this point, I'd prefer to defer to when Tim comes online.
Okay.
He's thought about it, and I have to be honest, I haven't given part. At this point, I'd prefer to defer to when Tim comes online.
Okay.
He's thought about it, and I have to be honest, I haven't given it the full thought that he has.
Okay, and then the other question is to think about is whether you are thinking of diving again on this site tomorrow or moving on to G site. And I know you probably can't answer that yet, but hopefully by this evening or by sometime afternoon we can get an answer for that so we can plan for tonight.
I mean, my guess is going to be that we'll move on to G, but once again, I would defer to Tim.
Okay, so once you guys discuss with Tim, if you can just try and contact the ship and let us know what your thoughts are.
All right, we're on that.
That's all I've got. I'll pass it back to Dave.
Okay, does anybody have any questions? We'll bring it up with Tim.
No questions in Jakarta, Dave. Worth noting if there is still a discrepancy in the volume between the two different headsets that were being used.
Yeah, we'll bring that to Webb's attention. Okay, I'm going to turn this over to Santiago so you can communicate with him and we can get to work.
Specific to before you got to this boulder structure, there were more carbonate substrates on the bottom, I believe. So I would just proceed until you get to a point where you see those again.
Copy that. Okay, I'll let them know.
Jakarta and PMEL. This is Kelly. I'm testing whether you can hear me on this line.
I hear you.
Was that Jakarta?
Yes, that was Jakarta.
PMEL, this is Kelly. Can you hear me?
Yes, you're very quiet compared to, I believe that's Jakarta.
Okay, thank you.
Pilot, this is Science.
Go ahead.
Yeah, they said they're experiencing a delay in the video, so they meant sediment before this outcrop. So they just requested if,
Send back wide video.
I'm sorry, that we just keep moving, and whenever we see that kind of sediment, they'll let us know and see if we can stop and take a look at it.
So they're looking for sediment. With that sediment up there, dude?
It's apparently some kind of carbonate at the bottom of this outcrop, but yeah, they say we can just keep moving, and
Keep moving.
yeah, if we see it, they will let us know, and then we can
Okay.
look at it.
Yeah, can you give us more clues about what?
Santiago, one of the Indonesian scientists had requested it. I'll let you know if we see the area again.
Okay, thanks.
That's all right.
Okay, thanks. Yeah, I'll ask. Seattle, this is EX. Seattle, this is EX. Seattle, can you hear us?
Seattle, this is the Okeanos. Do you guys copy? Seattle, this is the Okeanos. Do you copy? Seattle, this is the Okeanos. Do you copy? Jakarta, this is the Okeanos. Do you copy?
Yeah, we can hear you now. Can you hear us? Yeah, I can hear you, Seattle. Can you hear us?
Seattle, can you hear the video engineer? That's me. Okay, I'm actually talking to you on the OKEX party line. Can you just try to respond one time on the OKEX? Okay, if you responded on OKEX, I did not hear you. So go ahead and talk directly to the EXWL again. Okay, I'm actually talking to you on the OKEX party line. Can you just try to respond one time on the OKEX? Okay, if you responded on OKEX, I did not hear you. So go ahead and talk directly to the EXWL again. Seattle, this is the Okeanos video. I did not hear you respond on the OKEX or the EXWL channel. Yeah. So there's deck B. OKEX.
I'm going to listen. I'm going to set that up to listen on OK.
This is an OKEX party line test.
No, he's not here, but he might be in his room. I don't know where he is.
I'm gonna. Okay, I'm done. Zoom wide, please.
It's like a little parasol and running
Yeah,
around.
yeah. Trying to keep the sun off his back.
Party line test.
He'd never seen something like this before.
No. I don't think I can do much more with him. Okay. What was my heading I was traveling along there, Tom?
Test.
West? Northwest?
We're actually stopped. The ship is stopped, and the stern is right over the peak of that mountain. So I think I'm getting a call from science here to tell what we're going to do.
Squid. Wow.
I'm going to zoom out the HIPAC screen. I think
Seattle, this is the Okeanos doing a intercom check on the OKEX. This is the Okeanos video engineer testing to see if you can hear me as I'm only speaking on the OKEX party line.
Play with him until we get direction.
this one. Okay.
He's not going to stay still. Yeah. Not for us.
Okay. Roger that.
Video full wide on camera platform, please.
What's the plan there, Tom?
We're going to head up to waypoint 1. It's quite a transit.
Okay.
It's slow. We're going to go slow.
Okay.
And as soon as I dial in, I'll let you know. So pilot, the ship's basically going to be conveying us to the north at 005 degrees, and that's kind of the way you're heading right now, I think.
Okay.
Not too far away.
Which one?
So Santiago, a little bit of help for us piloting. if you see an object on the screen, tell us how far to move in fractions of a screen. So if you want us to move, you know, half the screen view to the right, you just say a half right, or a half up, or a quarter up, or a quarter down. That tells us how far to move the ROV, and makes it easier for us to
Come on, come on, come on, come on.
figure out what you're talking about. All right, thanks.
I think I'm being pulled already here. I don't think
Yeah,
I have.
you don't have enough.
Zoom wide, please, if you're not.
Coming down to you.
Go ahead and zoom video. Okay, have we got the shot? Can we zoom wide? Okay. Tilt down. How's that? Okay. All right. And we're heading to the north, or 005, right, Tom?
That's correct. You're looking better. You get. We're giving you more tether now, so things are looking better for you.
Okay.
Yeah, Craig, I've got you 25 below me, and I'm 11 off the bottom, so I'll come down
as soon as I get off this cliff.
Well, I'm still on it. I have no choice.
Yeah, the waypoint's off the chart.
I'm looking north as well.
Okay.
So, yeah.
So if you turn around south, you'll come back to the wall.
Can't get there from here because you're too high up. So you're here, and I have to do this. So I can come all the way to here, but you're moving away from the wall. So I'll just get pulled off almost right away.
Oh, okay.
You're with me?
I'm with you. I didn't think we'd moved that far yet.
Well, it sure seems like way up.
Well,
see,
you're way out on your tether.
You're way north of me.
Yeah.
I'm back here. The wall's back here. You're that way. If you turn around to the south and drive, you'll pick up the wall.
Yeah, you're 35 meters away from him.
To the north.
Yes.
The wall is to the south.
In terms of tether.
Explain that to me. You want me to go down the wall like this?
I think we're actually
or off the
Come
wall.
on, yeah, come on down and let's get a look at the slope here. On the wall.
But facing the wall.
But facing the wall, yeah.
Okay. I thought you wanted, I misunderstood what you wanted me to do. Okay.
I'll try to come down and see if we can find the bottom of this.
May have to come back around to the north as because we're going to be pulling away from you here.
Yeah, you're going to have to come left and down on the wall. Basically try to work yourself underneath me.
Go ahead and zoom video. Wow.
Yeah, you're going to start running out of tether pretty soon here.
Okay. Yeah, he wants to see the base.
Okay.
There's the hold fast there. Come on, come on. I'm trying. I'm losing it here. Try that quick zoom there, maybe. No, I can't hold it.
Now I am going to pull you off the wall.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we
Okay,
are.
zoom back wide, please, video.
Yeah, you want to come around to the north.
Yep. Okay, I'll get ahead of you.
Ship's position and tether looks good for that.
Video, go ahead and zoom.
Rolly, is this you at survey 2? Okay, siphonophore, just it's the word siphon, S-I-P-H-O-N, and then O-P-H-O-R-E.
Oh, it's a little shrimp there.
He's stirring up some nutrients for it there.
Yeah. Stay. Okay, go ahead and zoom there. Ah. Try that. Zoom wide. Zoom wide.
Got your verts on pretty hard. You might be
Yeah.
clamping yourself down too much. And you're in auto heading, which you won't be able to scoot yourself in auto heading.
I'm in auto heading?
You're in auto
I had
heading.
no idea.
There you go.
Must have pushed it.
We're going to lose this here.
No, you still got some tether. Yeah, I'm looking west at you right now, so I'm cruising by from your right to your left.
Yeah.
Okay, science.
You know, one thing I haven't seen here is that, what is the wolf eel, the fish that's at the aquarium?
Yeah.
Haven't seen any of those.
Yes. Up. Okay. Come on. Go ahead and zoom video.
All right,
I'm
Craig,
rotate.
I'm noticing you're right up sideways against that cliff.
Yes, I am.
Are we okay? All right, I'm showing an altitude of 22 meters. I'm going to pull in 5 on the winch.
Go ahead.
Did you get the hold fast video? If you come back wide, I'll see if I can rotate to get in there. I'm just... Zoom back wide. Iron there. So how can I do this? You want to see one of the yellow ones as well, Science? Okay. The which?
Video. Video, am I full wide on camera platform? Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Okay. How we doing, Webb? I don't know if I'm going to be able to see this when I sit.
Yeah, it looks like there's a lot of space underneath you.
Yeah, there is. Ah, crap.
Well, it's all right.
I'm going to try this here. Hang on.
We might just have to float fly it.
Yeah, go ahead and zoom video.
Yeah, wasn't critiquing your style earlier, Craig, just trying to assess the situation as I sat down.
No, that's all right. Hold that video. Come on. Why is it zipping around like that? Is that shimmering water?
You know, I saw it doing that yesterday too.
Okay.
I think
That's shimmering water.
I saw it doing it yesterday too. I don't know if there's a large temperature gradient in the current.
Is that enough for you, Science, or do you need a little bit more than that? I cannot sit. There's no place to sit. Come back wide, video. There's the yellow one there. Same thing. I don't think I can sit here. Okay.
Wonder if you're that shimmering water. I wonder if that's to, kind of influence. There seems to be a pretty good upcurrent up this slope. I'm wondering if you're not going to be able to settle out because you're fighting that.
Well, it's moving up there, you know.
Yeah, no, definitely. I'm full wide on the camera platform. I'm directly above you as far as I can tell.
Yeah.
So I've been creeping up on you since I sat down.
Yeah.
This is EX. Yeah. Yeah, we saw some shimmering. We also saw that same kind of shimmering yesterday, so we wondered if it's just something from the ROV or yeah, just heating up some water. I don't know. What do you think?
Are you all wide on the camera video?
Yes, that's correct. We should be there in around 30, 35 minutes. And speed.
I don't know. There looks like an up current moving up the side of this hill. So I don't think it was from the ROV, but come on. Yeah, I think it was current moving up the side of the slope. I don't think it was hot water, if that's the question. Let's try and zoom on that video. I think I'm falling. Zoom back wide.
Who's calling that? Go ahead. No.
Be advised, pilot, I think you're drifting into the white coral up ahead.
We're on the move to waypoint 1.
Yeah.
It's what, from my view, it looks like you're drifting into it.
Yeah, they were just talking about that. They talked about it, but decided to keep moving here. We're sure it was just stirred up by the ROV or some other phenomenon, but didn't notice any big change in the CTD temperature. I don't know if we'd pick up the ambient. Yeah.
Video looking a little hot.
Yeah. Okay.
Might just be, it's just pure white.
Let's try and zoom on that video. Okay. There's the center right there. Oops.
All right. Be advised, pilot, from my view, it looks like you were right on top of that thing.
They're all on the other side. Looks like. We wide?
All right. Looks like it really starts to, from my view, it looks like you're right up against a wall almost.
This is EX. Go ahead.
Okay. Craig, I'm going to pull up 10 meters to make sure the tether doesn't drag.
Okay.
Yeah, if you look on HiPAC, we're going right up this mountain that's in between us and the.
Okay, let me verify that.
I see a good S-bend in our tether. So, and I'm showing a delta D of about 25 meters between us. Oh, that's right. Okay.
Okay. Don't see anything coming out of there.
We're still 50 meters off the waypoint.
Yeah, go. I can't hear you, Science, but go ahead. Yes, I can hear you now. This one. Let's go ahead and zoom video. Go down, look at the hold fast. Red coral to the right. Down there? Yeah. Just. Yeah. I see it. Go ahead and zoom video. I think it's stuff. Larvacean house. Go down and look at the hold fast. Come on. Can't really see it. It's behind that rock. There you go. How we doing, co-pilot? We all right?
Yeah, we're looking good. We're just coming over the top of you now, but you got plenty of tether.
Okay. Anything else here, science? The big crab on the left? That guy there?
A lot of legs over there. Is that just
I think
one
there's
crab?
a couple crabs there.
I think we're interrupting their privacy.
You think?
Doesn't look like they care too much. Oh, although he's going into attack mode.
Go ahead and zoom video. That's a tender embrace.
Mm-hmm.
Bottom one looks dead.
Yeah, huh?
I don't know. Hasn't moved.
Oh, there it goes.
There it goes. Oh, anthropods.
All right, pilot, you're going to start to get tugged here in a couple minutes.
Okay, science, I think we're done here. Video, you can come back wide. Nice. That's incredible. Yeah. Okay, heading off to the north.
We're almost to the waypoint. We've got about 20 meters to go.
Okay.
Along that edge?
Yep.
Okay. Thank you. Bridge, you're going to stand by here and look around a little bit. I'll keep you informed. Thank you.
Crinoid. I'm sorry, somebody talking to me?
What's that video? Yep.
Pilots, we're finished with the ship move. We're
floats. We're
about to stop here.
ship move's complete. Good for zoom.
Come on, stay still. Go ahead and zoom video. Nice.
go for zoom.
You zoom wide on pilot as well, please. Thank you. You wanted to look some more at the rust stained signs? Get the lasers, please. Thank you. Go ahead and zoom.
Go ahead. Sure.
Right.
More.
Thank you.
Science, you need more zoom out on that?
Okay, let's zoom. Want to focus right below the eyes there. Seems to be very much alive.
Yeah, he's just sitting pretty on the rocks down there.
Okay.
Lounging.
It's
I wonder if it's a hunting technique.
well, the claws are folded up there, possibly. Is that full wide?
No, it's a medium.
Okay.
Yeah, he's moving the big leg at the bottom.
So this is crab in lotus.
I think he's about to attack you. See that lower leg?
Yeah, he's going to spring on me.
is he doing? Making himself big.
Or herself. Notice how it's
That's true.
expansion on the
pocket down there?
lower plate of the exoskeleton.
Did you want to tie to that?
Yeah, let's go in and look at that. It's might be common as dirt for a biologist, but I hold that. Maybe it's pregnant.
Could be.
Well, I think we should move on. Roger that. Full wide, please, video.
That's full wide.
Oh, really? It's a little up close and personal there.
So now we know that those are not dead. They're just sitting idle.
Lifting off. Okay, back to the sulfide hunt. I mean, iron staining. Please pardon me. Okay, I think I'm up on top again here.
Yeah, just about. Looks like it.
Some kind of interesting worm here.
I think you got interesting starfish legs.
There's a few of those things.
Let's get a zoom on
Bridge,
that, please,
this is
video.
ROV now. Hey, Bridge, like to ask for a ship move. I'd like to move at 0.2 knots on bearing 127 for 525 meters, please. Copy that. Thank you, Bridge.
It's come wide for a little bit. I just wonder if something got buried in the sand there.
If it did, it's pretty big.
Yeah. Huh.
Saw one of those earlier when you were transiting.
Okay.
I think it's a brittle star lying in wait.
Well, the legs are, arms are pretty far apart there. Here's some more down here. Can't really say.
There's some there to your left. Right where your lasers are.
Got the tether coming underneath me here, but floats look good.
I'm just gonna dawdle here until you get caught up with me.
Roger that.
We could. Roland's Find or Roland's Folly?
Might be closer to that second one.
Go ahead, Seattle.
You'd be surprised what nature can do.
Okay, will do.
Go ahead, Science. Copy that.
quite current here. Balancing the okay, video. We can zoom in and check out the neighborhood here.
One more zoom out. Okay.
Go ahead, Science. Yeah, how's that, Science? If you need the high pack screen back, let me know, pilot.
I'm all right.
Okay, no problem. All right.
Okay, video. Let's pull back on this.
Copy that. Thank you, Science.
Thank you, video. All right, we're gonna pick up cruise here.
What about that half moon shaped coral, or I'm sorry, sponge just above your lasers? Have you seen those? Looks like a quarter of a basketball. That's the second one I've seen as we've cruised this way, right near this ledge.
That seems very similar to the big cornucopia-looking thing we saw on the previous cruise leg.
It's very hairy.
Yeah, the hairs they told us were dead remains.
You want to look at the top edge of it? It's got that ridge line.
Yeah, sure. Zoom in on that.
We can kill the laser, please, co-pilot.
Roger that.
Getting a little tether tug here.
Yeah, I was just
Zooming out.
Gonna head up the hill and get back with the cam platform here.
Have we seen our pink urchin for the day?
We have not seen a pink urchin today.
Just went past, or about to pass.
Ouch.
Bounce.
10 centimeters.
Okay, pink urchin extravaganza, take one. Stand by, let me get twisted a little here. Oh, there you go. Okay, we can do a slow pullback on that.
You just get a couple seconds here to tight.
All right.
Pulling out. We can get this shot for a few seconds.
That's beautiful.
I'm betting those little fingers out there are stingers. Continuing out. You can lift off whenever.
Okay, gotta go.
Yep, we're stretching out.
Yeah.
We're full wide.
Thank you.
Copy that. Yes.
2
Read it.
minutes.
Well, I don't know if it was that long.
Yeah, a minute and a half.
Were you to turn around and retrace your steps, you might be able to find it. It was on top of a rocky shelf that you passed over.
There
it
is.
is.
That wasn't 2 minutes ago.
Not unless you're moving slower than I think you are.
You want to do it from a hover, or you going to anchor?
I'm going to lay alongside here. The swip coral is going to be somewhat problematic.
Oh, that's a perfect shot straight ahead.
I'm right over the top of you here, pilot. Catch you in my nadir.
We're going to perch here for a moment, co-pilot.
Roger that. Plenty of slack in the tether here.
If we can go ahead and kill the lasers there, co-pilot.
Yeah, co-pilot. Lasers off, please.
On your command, pilot.
I'm a little close. You got enough light there?
I do.
Okay, I'm perched. Oh, wait a minute here. I think I'm perched. Let's let me get a little bit more down on here. Okay, I feel pretty good about this perch.
Can we see its heart?
Coming right just a smidge. There we go.
Go for the 2-shot. Guy's full wide.
Okay. I'm going to go down for this whip coral here in a second. Might back up to get some more light on it. I'm tilting down. Yeah, I'm going to try back up a little bit here. Self-stabilized.
Maybe also before we zoom in, yeah, have that 2-shot.
Okay, there you go. And we got about another 30 seconds here.
Okay, crash zoom.
Video, can I have a quick zoom on
Zooming on the sled.
If I want
Slow
to talk
pull.
with her, just
Yeah, I'm starting to get tugged off here,
Just
so
Roger, we're
gotta
getting
go.
tight.
We're clear.
Thank you.
Wide on the camera side, please, video.
Pulling out. ROV is wide.
Yeah, need some iris on the ROV.
Iris up.
So you are in auto heading, so heading changes will be very sluggish. So when you set down and want to scoot yourself, you'll want to come out of auto heading, so you've got more authority to scoot yourself.
Alrighty.
The other thing is never use more down thrust than is necessary to keep you there, because if you use too much, you'll start stirring stuff up. It's all right. You can. It's not a problem.
Think we're good for zoom here, video. On this stock.
Copy, pilot. Okay, if you want to try to tilt down. And
Say
lateral.
tilt down, video.
Yeah,
No,
like
he's talking to co-pilot. We're having to look through the lights at you.
Is it okay to zoom in, co-pilot?
Yeah, you can zoom. We're not going to be here very much longer. It's going to get pulled off in a minute.
Okay, pilot.
Could we actually look at the smaller stocks, the white on the ground?
Smaller stocks. Can we come wide, video?
the
that.
straws, of which there are myriad.
See if we can zoom in on these couple year video when ready.
Okay, pilot.
Actually, tilt up. Go for the one in the light. Keep tilting up. Up. You've come off the bottom. You're moving.
Yeah, I'm moving here.
Yeah.
Well, we'll see where this. There's a good one there. Looks like we got plenty in a view here.
There you go. Yeah. So you just tilt up to put the bright lights in the center.
We're still moving here.
You know why?
2 degrees, 8.2170.
Hold on, my pen is.
Okay.
Repeat that.
Yeah, it's 2 degrees.
Have we seen this little thing just camera left?
8.2170.
8.2170.
Yeah, we can take a look at that, please. Yeah, and 1 to 4 degrees.
1 to 4 degrees. Okay.
And 54.2852.
54. Repeat the last digits.
Yeah, 54.2852.
54.282.
54.2852.
52. Okay.
Thanks.
So.
Go for zoom video.
Copy zoom. Max zoom. A little creature just above the camera there.
Nav, this is science.
Nice. Interesting looking coral or sponge. Whatever it may be.
Oh.
That's a
This
coral.
is nav.
Yeah, with polyps.
Pulling to a medium.
Okay,
Nav
I'm
to
starting to
science.
come
Nav to science.
close to this rock.
Yeah,
Ask
this is
you to
science.
climb up towards me.
Roger
I
that,
want to double
co-pilot.
check that I have my coordinates right.
Okay,
Hold
yeah.
this shot for
They're
a few.
correct.
Not much longer.
All right.
Let me check. 1, 2, 4, 54, 28, 52,
And pulling full
and
wide. You
then
can lift off whenever.
2, 821.
Lifting up.
Yeah, they look fine.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, when I start to see terrain,
This is
my
nav to science. Do
nadir
you want
camera
to
ROV's full
stop
wide.
this move and go to another, or go directly
Find them
to that
because
location?
You can initiate that
we may
ship
be
move.
part of the way there
Alright.
anyway.
Oh, okay. I don't.
So go put a trainee
Yeah, I
in
don't
the
know
video
about that.
shading console as
I
well.
just got the waypoints, so I can try as the navigator to plot them, and then we can decide.
All right, that works.
Is that okay? Okay. Hey, Nap. We have about 3 waypoints, and we wonder if we can just plot them, and then once we can see them, then we decide where to go.
Coming left about 45 degrees, so we
yes.
should climb up
Do you want
this
to take
face
control
'cause
of
it's
the
between us and
HiPAC computer?
Do we still have the ship moving here, co-pilot? Do you know?
No, what they've well they're going
nav to
stop this move,
science.
and they're going to move us almost due north of our
Oh, the
current
bridge is
location.
calling.
So the ship is stopped right now.
It's slowing.
Nav to bridge.
All right, I'm gonna start climbing this face.
Science
would
pilot.
you like to stop the ship? Thank you. Do I push a button? Okay. So.
Pilot is science.
Go ahead, science.
Yeah, can we assume in these corals that we're just flying above and?
Science wanted to add like
This
10 coordinates.
stock coral right here. Or
Yeah, that one. And there were
So
a
I asked them
couple
if they wanted just to punch them
right
in the computer
below
themselves.
us.
Below us.
He didn't answer.
Yeah, those two. Thank you.
Okay. They're stopping them. They're stopping.
Are
The
these
boat is
corals
stopped.
coming out of the bottom of the rock, science?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay. All right. Nav to science.
Yeah, this is science.
Could I pass you a notepad to enter in the waypoint coordinates?
Of course, yep.
All right.
That work.
Will be sent over. All right. So so the sled's about there. Okay. So from
Actually, Nav, you can have these.
Oh, thanks.
They're printed.
Excellent.
So there'll be waypoint 3, 4, and the last one will be the end of the dive.
Okay.
But don't program anything to follow that order, because I think we want to see how they look in the map and then decide.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm gonna get the boat moving to waypoint 2 at the moment. All right. So okay.
Thank you.
I'm gonna get the boat moving to waypoint 2 at the moment. All right. So using the middle of the ship. All right. So I want to go.
And
100.
co-pilot, if you could not talk to me.
Oh, sorry.
It's you've got me latched on. There you go. Now you're getting it. Yeah. Thank you.
All right, we're perched here for this coral video. If you want to zoom.
Joel
Zooming.
DeMello, Captain Velvet.
Smooth.
It's all about smooth. Sometimes it leaves you behind.
I think that's just the tilt there. There we go.
Bridge navigator. Could you move the boat 106 meters, 0 degrees, 0.2 knots? That is correct. Thank you.
Video's full out.
Roger that.
Thank you. Navigator to pilot.
Go ahead, Nav.
The ship is moving 106 meters at 0 degrees at point. Bridge navigator.
You've reached the bridge.
All right, could you please move the boat 180 free meters, bearing 79 at 0.2 knots?
Nav, this is the bridge. Understand you want me to move 183 meters on a direction of 079 degrees true at 0.2 of a knot.
That is correct.
Roger.
Pilots, navigator.
Roger that, Nav.
Moving the boat 180 free meters, 79 degrees at 0.2 knots.
Thank you, Nav.
Nav, this is the bridge. The ship has begun its move.
All right, I'm going to get away from this
Thank you, Bridge.
All right.
You want to take a shot of that anemone, Mr. Pilot?
Looks like I'm out in front a little bit. I can get situated here. I don't hear anything from science.
Yeah, let's take an image.
Looks good, science.
Yeah, very good looking.
All right. Let me see where I
Navigator to science.
Perch here.
This is science?
What do you want to name that waypoint?
Let's name it waypoint 5, so we don't repeat names.
Okay.
Thank you.
Try to pan a little bit here, video, so we can get it in the center.
Roger that.
And we're kicking up some junk. And go for zoom, video.
Zooming.
come out, please, video. It's not situated very well here. That was not a good spot. This is a better spot here, video.
Yeah. Watch
Want to
your
kill the
turn there,
lasers,
pilot.
please?
Thank you, co-pilot.
Lasers off.
And coming out. Hey, Joel, you hear me?
That was a much better spot.
Joel, can you hear me?
Hear you loud and clear, Dave.
This is Joe.
Okay. What I'd like you to do is
Pilot, you're running out of time here.
make a conscious effort to slow your movements down on the stick. In other words,
Pilot, you copy?
try to
Wrong
make the
Wrong
vehicle
Joe.
move in a slower, more uniform motion, and in a motion that we can get every move, get something out of every move. And then
we need to
when
get
you
out of
set up
here
for a
right now,
shot,
pilot.
don't
Copy
let
that,
the
co-pilot.
cameraman
Coming out of
zoom
the
in
cliff here.
until you're completely set up. So you're not moving the camera as much
Watch
while
your
you're
back.
setting up.
Video's out.
So get yourself positioned, get the target in the center as best you can, and then when you're all set up, have the cameraman zoom in. So just kind of slow down your movements and take a little bit more time to get the best shot.
Probably going to want to turn left and
So give
face
that a
the
try.
cliff as you come up, pilot.
Roger that, Dave. I hear you, co-pilot.
Have it. Gotcha.
All right. I think we're right underneath you now, co-pilot.
That is correct.
We're back where we need to be. And
got
we're
it.
heading east to this waypoint.
That is correct.
All right. Situated. Yeah, there's another drop off here.
I'm going to pan to the right here. You're going to lose sight of yourself, Joel.
Roger that, co-pilot.
Get you back in view quick.
I'm going to stay on top of this ridge here while I can. Looks like there's just some big rocks.
Copy.
Pilot, this is Science.
Go ahead, Science.
Can we take a look at that stock coral right in front of us?
The taller stock coral?
Yeah, the
that's
taller
in
one.
the background?
Yeah.
Roger that, Science.
Thank you.
good for Zoom video?
Roger that.
Pilot, this is science.
Go ahead, science.
Yeah, let's look at this coral, and could we also look at that shrimp that is on the base on the right?
Roger that.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Got a little more time here.
Let's see if we can get the shrimp at the base here. Because that will hopefully not be waving as much.
Video's out.
So there's a shrimp at the base.
Yeah, I think it's gone.
Video's out.
So there's a shrimp at the base.
Yeah, I think it's gone.
To the right.
Oh, there it is.
He's walking. All right. That's a better spot for him. That's all right. I'll take that. I think we can try and zoom here video. I may bring my tilt up. And I'll
You have a little time here.
pan right a little bit. Thank you, co-pilot. Oh. Yeah, come wide video. I'm not. Thank you.
Last picture.
Nah, this is science.
Go ahead.
Okay, video. We'll
Could
try
we
one
please
more
drop a
time.
target here?
What should I name it?
You can name it golden coral.
Will do.
Thank you.
We're gonna need to get going after you get a shot of this.
Roger that. All right. Yeah, I'm getting tug video. We're gonna need to get out of here. Okay, lifting off.
Copy.
Seriously. This thing means business. What are you?
Can you hold him?
That's kind of cool.
Interesting. Posing for you.
Can I zoom and hold it?
I'll do my best here.
You'll just need to tilt with it.
come up a little, get him in the center. He didn't want to look at me. Alright, full wide video, we're going to keep catching up here. Thought it was a
You're
more
wide.
interesting fish.
Lasers off.
And go for zoom video. We'll come down a little.
That's max zoom.
We are perched well here, it seems.
So if you just want to hold each shot for several seconds, and you can pan the vehicle
Roger.
around. This is where that finesse control comes in. Okay, I'm going to pull out to a medium shot. You just tilt up a little bit to fill the frame.
Roger.
And I'm going to slowly pull out to a full wide. Okay, video's clear, full wide.
Thank you, video.
Could I get full wide as well, video?
Playing wide on the sled.
Thank you.
Anything else here, science?
There was a big coral colony to the left, white one. About one screen. Oh, I think that's, yeah, that one, right in the back.
The big fan coral.
Yeah.
And we're good for zoom video.
Can we tilt up to see the crinoid? And if we can just tilt down to fill the screen. We'll just hold that for about 8 seconds more. Okay, that should be good video. It's 2 good shots. Video's clear. We're full wide.
Roger. Science.
Pulling out on the sled.
Yep.
Should we sort of explore?
This is science.
Yes, go ahead.
Yeah, I think we would like to keep going deeper over the same ridge until the end of the dive.
And I think we're
And we
good
just
for zooming video.
stop periodically to look at things, so we can go slow. Maybe 0.1 knots would be good.
Okay, so you want to go east?
Yeah, keep going east over the same ridge.
We'll do.
Thank you.
Just holding that shot. It's nice with the white coral on the back and the shrimp at the bottom.
This is Nav, the science.
This is science.
We have 45 minutes to surface.
45?
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
You could tilt up to fill the frame.
Correction, an hour worth of bottom time.
An hour?
Yes.
Okay, thanks.
And a little bit more up. That's good. And then pan left. We'll just get both of these. Yeah, maybe. Yep. And then just a little bit left to get both of those corals. Thanks for a scenic shot.
Bridge, this is Navigator.
This is the bridge. Go ahead.
Could you move the boat 100
And now
meters?
if you continue to rotate to that
0.1
left
knots,
coral.
90.
And as you do that, I'll
90
zoom in
degrees.
slowly.
Understand 100 meter move, bearing 090 true at 1/10 of a knot.
Yes, that is correct. Thank you.
Roger.
Going for its full zoom.
Navigator to
got an urchin
pilot.
behind him.
Go ahead, Nav.
Or running in me.
Started ship move 100 meters, bearing 90 degrees, 0.1 knots.
Roger that,
Going
Nav.
out for a full frame. Hold that for a few. And we can ask science what else they want in this particular area.
We're gonna get moving here.
Yeah,
Ship's starting to
maybe
move.
we can just take a quick look around and see anything else interesting before
Video's clear.
we
Could
start
I
moving
have, full zoom on the camera
east.
platform, please. Thank you, video.
All right, lifting off here. Nice and easy. All right.
You got what? 4 good shots out of that one.
We have another one of those purple anemones over here, it looks like.
Got to look at your tether.
pushed into the rocks here.
And the two corals, so you can see there.
Video co-pilot, the tether looks alright if you want to zoom back in.
Thank you, co-pilot.
Thank you. Zoom out just a hair if you don't mind. I'm still at full stop.
Copy that.
That'll work. Appreciate it.
It's max zoom on the ROV. If you want to tilt up and down.
Tilting up.
And maybe go down to the base. It can pull out to help you get there. Yep, not much to see there. Just pan over to the corals and I'll zoom into it. It's max zoom. Yeah, we'll just look at the white one and call it. It's a nice shape. Pulling out.
They're starting to move around here.
Thank you, pilot. I think we can start moving towards our next waypoint.
Roger that.
It's full wide. Pulling out
Yeah.
on the sled.
Thanks.
Oh, we're
To navigator.
Go ahead, Nav.
I have a correction to my time on the bottom.
Roger.
20 minutes.
Thank you, Nav.
Just about directly over you, pilot.
Roger that.
We'll need just another minute or two for me to get ahead of you.
Roger that. Thank you, co-pilot. We'll see if we can get a shot on this
Not a problem.
coral. Go for zoom video. really sure how much I can turn to get the pink one. Hold on, video. Okay, go for zoom.
Science to bridge.
Yes.
Yeah, I have approximate coordinates for site G for tomorrow.
Okay.
So it is 2 degrees and 16.2 minutes. Did you copy that?
No, say that again.
I said 2 degrees north and 16.2 minutes.
Okay, 2 degrees, 16.2.
Yep. And then 124, 124 degrees. And
Come and loose here, video.
49.8 minutes.
124 degrees, 49.8 minutes, okay?
Plot 'em
Yeah, that's right.
Roger that.
We're gonna plot them and call you back because the first one didn't look like the right position.
And we're gonna come off here, nice and smooth.
The first what?
The first waypoint set you gave us?
That's for CTD in this same site.
Yes,
where
but
we
it
are.
didn't look
Okay,
correct. It looked like it
we're
was
gonna
at
continue heading
the
east and
side.
catch up to you there.
Oh, really? Okay. Yeah.
Look all right.
So I'll call you back.
Okay. Thank you.
Okay, am I clear to keep coming down this cliffside here?